Yeah, yeah. Four pockets, four pockets full. I done seen plenty of your wolves trying to front, but I seen through the wall.
For today's trade, I'm looking to see if our New York session will give us a bit of a push down, since we have taken. Remember the Friday trade we were looking for trade a sweep above Thursday's high. So we have taken the high of the week. I think it's the past 2 weeks. I think so. I'm not sure. I'll reconfirm when we're continuing checking the trade that we want to take down here. So right now we're sitting on the 4-hour inefficiency, the secondary 4-hour inefficiency. That's if you refine it. It hasn't really put its foot into this fair value gap that I wanted to see here, but that doesn't change anything. It's still a hard time frame key level, so I'm still going to be watching for price action to give me any signs or any indication that it wants to push further. That's when I'm going to start taking the trades. So we will come back on the new trade, but as for NFP, this is what we have decided, and this were the results. Until next time.
We're not the same, we ain't come from the club.
Four pockets, four pockets full. I done seen plenty of your wolves trying to front, but I see through the wall. Had to keep working, so through all the pressure, I push and I pull. Ain't with the beef, and I put in that work, motivating the bulls. Four pockets, four pockets deep. I cannot rest if it's money, then I don't mind losing my sleep. She gave me brain and I'm proud of her. I told her wisdom is bleak. Came out the jungle with lions and tigers, this ain't for the weak. Elevate, I had to elevate. Energy, this ain't for enemies. Generate, all the squad for the family. Better days. Back in the block with the thug folk. Niggas want beef, then it's gun smoke. They see me win like become coach. Stacking the fees what I want most. Stuck to the dream I had.
Alright, welcome back, guys. We managed to do a quick markup on AUD/USD current trade. So what we've seen so far is we're sitting quite nicely on the hard time frame key levels. This is where we're looking for price to give us some bearishness into a price action. It's Monday is a little bit difficult to navigate in terms of what is the direction of the week, what are the sessions doing. So usually price action becomes very clean around Wednesday, Tuesday. That's when you can find most probable trades, and that's when we're forming probably highs and lows of the week. So we can find ourselves in a very good swing positions where we have little to no pullbacks in price action. So right now what we've seen is we just came around 7 a.m. New York time. This is where our New York kill zones are. We've seen a hard time frame imbalance being tested. We've seen price displace a little bit lower with price action from morning until midday. So right now what we're looking for is for New York to give us a little bit of a push to the downside to come fill this balance price range here. We are back with an update on AUD/USD sell signal. So we've seen quite a lot of what we were expecting from price action, but the only thing that was a hiccup was when price actually went back right into the fair value gap, that we have found this balance price range right here, which is okay. It's nothing other than normal. Price action can give us fluctuations, it can give us pullbacks. As long as we commit to the trading plan, as long as we commit to the strategy, we have nothing to worry about. So after what we've seen price actually come back to take this the scale off zone where liquidity was actually hanging. I think this is today's Asia's liquidity. We've seen price actually sweep that, and we're looking to see if it will respect this fair valuation gap or not, but we're still in the trade. The initial terminus was actually for price to come fill this inefficiency, the inverted gap that we have right here. But so far so good. We'll come back with an update and see how price action has actually played out. But if it doesn't hold, since now it's almost time, New York delivery is slowing down, there's no need for us to be holding trades overnight. We're gonna collapse at 1:1 because we've managed to scale out when price action actually took off these two equal lows, this points of liquidity, and we managed to scale up. So right now what we've did is we have actually adjusted our stop losses back to this high. We've adjusted our stop losses back to this high. So if price action at all wants to do anything reactive overnight or before 9 p.m, then that's still okay. We would be taken out automatically out of the trade. But as long as these two fair valuation still exist, price action still has a lot of potential to hold and still give us our full target. Hi guys, welcome back to the update on AUD US dollar. So yesterday, like we said, we were waiting for New York to give us the push down, but we never got the momentum that we needed. Like we've mentioned that during around 9 p.m. there, the New York session is almost done, so there's no need for us to hold trade. So what we did is that we've seen price actually react off of the fair value gap that we've been waiting for and come take down the low. So this is where we exited our trades when price actually came to take the low that was printed off of reacting on this fair value gap that we've been waiting for yesterday. So our initial target was for price to come all the way to fill this inefficiency. Like we've mentioned before, we lost the sentiment in terms of being bearish long term because of how NFP has reacted. This is something that we've mentioned on the video when it started, that we don't see this thing as a long term sell, but we managed to get ourselves a nice 1:47 after scaling off that 1:1. So we managed to get ourselves a very nice 1:2 ratio based off our scale off. So for today's trade, this price action has overly extended. We'll see what New York has to do. If we have to switch over to another currency pair, we'll give you guys update. But as far as I'm concerned, we're still looking at AUD USD.
Gunsmoke. They see me win like become coach. Stacking the fees what I want most. Stuck to the dream I had one oath. Breadwinner habits I want loaf. She with her friend and I want both. Niggas fake as can be, they some bum folks. Niggas fake as can be, had to cut ties. See through the fake if you got eyes. We stay working from sound on the sunrise. How they hate on a boy, I'm a fun guy. They face the Adidas, get tongue-tied. Gotta focus on scope, I keep one eye. Tell your boy if he goes, he can't undied. Cause we don't really speak when we come by. Four pockets, four pockets full. I done seen plenty of wolves tryna front, but I see through the wall. Had to keep working, so through all the pressure, I push and I pull. Ain't with the beef and I put in that work, motivating the bulls. Four pockets deep. I cannot rest if it's money, then I don't mind losing my sleep. She gave me brain and I'm proud of her. I told her wisdom is bleak. Came out the jungle with lions and tigers, this ain't for the weak.